Okay, so hello guys. Although I haven't had the 20 likes yet, I just really want to show my Rubik's Cube collection. So yeah, here's a preview. So I'll go through each one individually. So yeah, let's start. Okay. So this is my 2x2. Wait. Need to set this up on some surface. Whatever. Okay, so no. Let's see something. Wait 1 second. Okay, yeah. This is my 2x2. Turns pretty well. Though there's two pieces fell off. Yeah, it's a stickerless 2x2. I'm pretty sure I got it right after my other one I threw out since my sister changed the sticker, so I couldn't solve it anymore. So yeah, that's that. Next is my 3x3. I'm pretty sure I got this right after my first 2x2. I'd say it turns pretty well. Maybe speed cube, I don't know. I don't really keep track of it. So yeah. That's my 3x3. So this is my stickerless 3x3. I got it right when I restarted my Rubik's Cube collection, but when I restarted it stickerless. So yeah, this is my 3x3. It turns pretty well, but one time when I bring it to school, someone broke off this piece. I don't know who, but I'm really mad about it, so yeah, that's that. Okay, this is my 4x4. I don't really know how to solve it, because like it can't have this on a 3x3, so like I don't know how that happened. So yeah, yeah. This is my stickerless 4x4. I got it since my other 4x4 didn't work. So yeah, there's that. This is my 5x5. Like I can solve a 5x5, but I just didn't really want to right now. So yeah, this is my 5x5. All my cubes turned pretty well, I think. I mean, like, I don't think I don't have a speed cube. I mean, like, I think they're all speed cubes. Whatever. I'll just not mention that again. Okay. So this is my other 5x5. I honestly have like no idea why I have two. I honestly don't. So yeah, and you can tell it's different since like, well, here it's different. So yeah. This is my 6x6. The stickers started to fall off, and then I don't know where they are, so sort of started to become useless. I tried to solve it, as you can see, but since the stickers fell off, I can't really anymore. Since that happened, I bought a stickerless 6x6, so that wouldn't happen again. But now I can't solve it at all. So yeah, I can solve like a 2x2 through a 5x5, I think. So yeah, I can't really solve a 6x6. This is my 7x7. Yeah, I mixed it up once. Never going to be solved again, I think. Yeah, it is stickered, which I hate. Whatever. I don't really like stickered anymore, so like, but obviously I'm not just gonna trash my stickered ones, because that would be disrespectful. Here's my 8x8. It's my biggest cube. Wait. Yeah, I think so. Wait. No. Well, in terms of cubular it is, but no. We'll get to that later. So this is my 8x8. You can see it's an 8x8. Yeah. This is my void cube. It's pretty much the same thing as a 3x3, but it like doesn't have centers. So like, I don't think this turns that well. So yeah, you can hear it like scratching. So yeah, that's my void cube. This is my Sudoku cube. I ordered it once out of curiosity, and like, I just scrambled it. And it has never been solved again. I've searched it up, and I think how you do it is like, you get like different numbers on each side. I don't really know. And like, I don't really care about this, so yeah. This is a mini 3x3, and like, it's Mario themed, so every side has a Mario picture. I got this on my 10th birthday party, and I got it from Luca Bellucci. If you're out there and watching this, thank you. So yeah, this is cool. I don't think it turns that well, but it was a very personalized gift, so thank you. Although I don't really like Mario, and I don't even play it, so like I wouldn't know. This is a super mini 3x3, so like just to put it in perspective, this is the normal 3x3, and this is the tiny 3x3. So yeah, that's how tiny it is. So yeah, I want to say it turns well either. I don't know. I mean, like, it turns better than the Mario one, but like, it can't really corner cut, so. But it's great. I mean, like, at first I got it as a keychain, but then I lost the keychain, and now I just have this, so. Oh, by the way, I also got this from my 10th birthday party as a gift, and Autumn Santos sent this, so if you're watching this too, thank you for giving me this. It was really specialized. Okay, and now on to, just one more cubular and normal one. This is my Go Cube. So like, it's a smart cube, and what that basically means is it connects to your phone through Bluetooth, and then you can, if you move it, it plays games on your phone. So yeah, it turns really well. Just one day I lost the sync, and now it's pretty much worthless. So like, it still is a normal Rubik's Cube, but like, it just lost its purpose of being a smart cube. Okay, now on to weird cubes. Okay, so this is the Fisher cube. As you can tell, it's basically just a 3x3, but it turns at a 45-degree angle on the white and yellow sides, like that. You do something like that. So yeah, it's the Fisher cube. This is my windmill cube. It turns at a slightly less angle, and since of that, there is no piece that has 3 different colors, like a normal 3x3. like, let's say this piece has 3 different colors, like red, white, and green. But the windmill cube has like no piece that has 3 different colors, since like these are like these and these and these like corners, but like if you look closely, it only has 2 colors. See, like only 2 colors. So yeah, that's the windmill cube. Next we have I don't really know what this is called on the order. It said that it was the round column cube. My friend says it's called the doublefish cube or something, the ancient doublefish cube. Yeah, so like it's pretty much a combination of the Fisher and windmill cube, because like this part is Fisher and like this part is windmill because of that. So it's pretty cool. I haven't been able to solve it yet because it doesn't solve. I mean, like, although it is a 3x3 mod, it doesn't really, I can't really apply the algorithms the same, so like I can't really solve it. This is my 3x3 barrel. It's a pretty easy to solve because like usually on a 3x3 you have to like have the white cross right and have like all the corresponding colors correct. But here it's pretty easy to solve since like all of the white colors are just green, and then all of the middle colors are just pink, and then all of these are blue, and then there's the yellow side. So yeah, I could solve it, but that would take a little while, and you probably don't want to endure that. So yeah, that's my 3x3 barrel. This is my 2x2x4 in its real shape. It is a 2x2x4, but it can shapeshift. Actually, my grandma bought this for me, so yeah, I'm really thankful for that. It turns fine, I'd say. And like, it doesn't really corner cut, but I'd say it's fine. It's not great, but fine. No, so next is the Mastermorphix. I don't know if it's the Mastermorphix, Morphix, or Megamorphix. I don't know. I have no idea. I really don't know. Just somewhat in that family. So like this, the Rubik's Cube channel that I follow says that it's like just like a 4x4. Maybe I have the 3x3 version, but it's definitely not, because like I have no idea how to do this, and I barely can solve a side. No, I can't solve a side actually. So if it was easy just like that, then it would have been solved right by now. So yeah. Let's see. Oh. This is my axis cube. Should have shown it to you solved, but whatever. Can't really solve it right now, so it just turns like that, and like that. And you can turn like this. So like, I've actually gotten it pretty recently. I actually got it yesterday, I think. So yeah, that's the axis cube. I don't think I'll be able to solve it. So yeah. This is my square one. This is my first square one, and like, so like at first it was just like broken since like 2 pieces had popped out. So like, if you can see that, like nothing here, and like nothing here. And then one time I dropped it, and like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 6 different pieces popped out. I still have them on my desk, but like I don't want to orient them badly, so like I can't solve it anymore. So I just have them in case I can solve square one again, but I don't really. Like there's videos for it, but I don't really want to do it because this is broken anyway. So yeah, I should probably just trash it, but whatever. I didn't really want to. So yeah, that's my square one. It turns like this. Yeah, like that. So yeah, that's my square one. Since the other square one was broken, I bought another one. I accidentally mixed this up one time, and I can't solve it. Like I said before, like I didn't really care to take the time to watch a video and solve it. So yeah, that's my square one. Yeah. So yeah, like that. And let's see. Oh, and just a note that I forgot to add. This 4x4 came in yesterday too. So yeah. And now so also a Rubik's Cube that came in today was my ghost cube. Can't really see it because it's all black, but like gives turns like, let's see, yeah, like that. So hope you can see it. Probably can't. Whatever. So yeah, that's my ghost cube. Wait a minute. Yeah, there we go. Ghost cube. So like it also transforms. Okay. Okay. Now I'm done with the transforming cubes. So this is my Scube cube. I think it's really the only Scube that I have that I can't solve. And like Scube is a family of Rubik's cubes, right? I don't know. So like it's a Scube cube. I don't know how to solve it, as I said. So it turns like this. So it's pretty cool. And you can try to like solve a side, but after that you can't really solve anything without like watching a video or something. I don't really know. Not very experienced with it. Oops. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Next is my Ivy cube. It gives turns like that. It's pretty cool with that, although people who aren't familiar with a bunch of different Rubik's cubes don't really know how to turn it, so that's pretty annoying. It's pretty easy to solve. I mean, like, it doesn't have that many possible combinations, and like I can probably just solve it right now. So let me see. Bum bum. Dum ba dum. Okay, just give me a few seconds, like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and yeah, I'm done. So it's pretty easy to solve. Yeah, that's my Ivy cube. This is my Dino cube. Gives turn like this. I'm gonna say it's great for turning. but I'd say it's fine. So, yeah. It's my Dino Cube. It's pretty easy to solve, although I don't really solve it right now. Okay, so, yeah. It's my Dino Cube. And, this is the Red Eye Cube. So, yeah. This piece kind of broke off a bit. Right here. So, right here. Like, see? This piece. I try to insert it, but it doesn't really go in. So yeah, the Red Eye Cube turns like this. It's pretty much a more advanced version of the Dino Cube. I mean, like, I think it's the Dino Cube, but it has corners. That's what most people say. So yeah. 1 second. Okay, whatever. So like, yeah. It's like that. Okay. I also ordered stickerless Red Eye Cube, so it's the same thing, like literally, except it's not broken. So yeah, and a stickerless, of course. So yeah, that's my stickerless Red Eye Cube. Okay. I'm done with the cubes. And okay. Sorry, 1 second. Okay. This is my 3x3 mirror cube. Most people just call it the mirror cube because it's, you know, the most famous mirror cube. Gives turns like that. It's like a normal 3x3, except like each different piece has a different shape. So it's a little more challenging to solve, but it's pretty much just like a 3x3. I mean, other than that, it just transforms, so that's pretty much it. This is my 2x2 mirror cube. It's basically like same thing I showed you before, but it's 2x2. Makes it easier to solve than the 3x3 mirror cube, obviously, since it's a 2x2 again. So yeah, it's pretty much the same thing as a 2x2, except just a little harder, since again, transforms. So yeah. Okay. So the next one is really special. So I want to show it to you really coolly. So, imagine that the windmill cube, and the mirror cube could be combined. Well, I have that. I call it the mirror windmill cube. So, it's literally just combined. I mean, like, so like, let's see, yeah. So like, this is what happens when you do checkerboard pattern on it. This is what happens when you do a checkerboard pattern on the windmill cube. I'd say, like, other than the fact that the mirror windmill cube is a mirror cube, I'd say it's easier than the windmill cube because, like, if you turned it this way, it would still be solved. If you turned it this way, it would still be solved. If you turned it this way, it would still be solved. So, like, I'm pretty sure the only things that are, like, transformational are the white and yellow sides. So, yeah. Never really mixed it up since, like, also, it did come today. I just, like, the ones that came today, this one and the ghost cube. They actually came a few minutes before. I actually got them a few minutes before making this video. That's what got me excited about making this video, so yeah, that's cool. Okay. Next one. Okay, so I'm done with my mirror cubes. And now, okay. This is my Megaminx. It's the most famous dodecahedron. A dodecahedron means 12 sides. So, yeah, I mean, like, it's basically like a 3x3 dodecahedron. Although some want to call it that, since that in of itself is its own Rubik's Cube, I think. I don't know, though, but I don't know. Because my friend has a 2x2 dodecahedron, and, like, yeah. So, yeah, that's my Megaminx. Okay. This is my Kilominx. It's basically like a 2x2 dodecahedron. It's basically the same thing as the Megaminx, but it doesn't have the edges and the centers. The same thing as like 3x3 to 2x2. So, yeah, this is my Kilominx. So this is my Gigaminx. If the Megaminx were a 3x3, the Kilominx were a 2x2. This would be a 5x5. There is a 4x4 dodecahedron. I'm pretty sure that's called the Master Kilominx, but I didn't get it yet, so yeah. For some reason this doesn't have centers. Well, it should have. I don't really know where the inner edges. Wait, I don't know. I mean, like, I feel like there should be edges right here. You know, whatever. The design is the design. Not really my choice. So yeah, turns like that. That's most dodecahedrons. Okay, so I'm done with the dodecahedrons, and this is my Pyraminx. I got it pretty not lately. Yeah, it clicks a lot. I don't know what that means, but my friend says it's good, but I don't. So yeah, that's my Pyraminx. So yeah, a Pyraminx is pretty easy to solve, I'd say, because like all you need to do is solve one center and then another until it's solved. I mean, no, one side, then another side, then another side until it's solved. Like, solving one side is pretty easy. This is my Master Pyraminx. So, like, basically, the last one was a 3x3 Pyraminx. This is a 4x4 Pyraminx. It still has the same concept as the last one, so it's pretty easy to solve. But it takes a little longer since, like, there's more pieces, obviously. So, yeah, that's my Master Pyraminx. It turns pretty well, I think. Yeah, I'm done with my Pyraminxes, and yeah, I think that's it. So, here you go, Beeples. This is my whole collection. Okay, now it's not blurred anymore, so yeah. Wait, let me just try to get a good thing of the ghost cube. Okay.